job. Good job. Good job, bro.
Okay?
Good job. Good job.
Thank you so much for coming to Cebu City and thank you so much
Woo!
to Witness para
Maraming salamat po dito sa pagpunta sa Cebu City Scarborough. And we would like to invite everyone to join us on our open mic karaoke every Sunday from 12
Good job, kuya.
until
Good job.
4
Good to see you sing. At the fun. Good job.
thank you, congratulations Kuya, ang galing kayo lahat.
Woo!
Maraming salamat po.
Wait. Without the E. Hey, good job po. Good job. Hope to see you again pa. Good job.
Ito ka lang ba?
Ha? Mark up pa. Birchmount and Steel. Apa. Apa.
Papalag ka kasi.
Good job po ya. Good job. Ay!
Winner muna, magpapamili.
Ay, okay.
Alam, winner eh, no?
Your daughter po?
I was gonna sing the other song.
Oh.
Dito just the corner.
Ay!
Sing the other
Ay!
song.
Magkasama pa tayo. Kala ko.
You just put it on. You didn't change it.
Oh, you but they changed the song.
Yeah, I originally put it down first, but then I was going to change the song. But they put the first song I did.
Oh. But good job, kuya. Good job, bro. Good job, man. If you have time, go to RTJ Productions. I like RTJ Productions, yeah. I like to have him. Yeah. Okay.
Nandito na po ba lahat ng contestants natin? Can we take a picture with you guys? May mga winners po na. May microphone.
Thank you. Good job, ha? Thank you. Good job. I like your outfit too. Ay! Sorry po. Sorry. Go Dennis! Go G... Gusto ko po. Alright. Kuya. You want me to take that? Hi. Thank you, Tay. Smile!